Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm with GiftedTouch.com, and I'm here with our Rx4-2000 multifunction treatment table. And I'm here to show you a couple of the features and the operation of the bed so you can get a clear idea of what this product has to offer and how it would work in your practice. It's a 4-motor bed, and that means it has 4 axes of motion. The height raises and lowers, the leg portion goes down and comes back up to a 90-degree angle down and straight flat, and the backrest as well comes up to a 90-degree angle and will lay flat. The 4th angle of motion is the Trendelenburg position, which is a reverse angle tilt or an incline. We're going to walk you through all of these positions now and show you how this bed operates. First thing that you'll notice is that it's quick and that it's reasonably quiet. It's actually really quiet. So that's the vertical on the backrest. It's totally sufficient for use in Botox, fillers, and other injectables. Get your client in an upright position. Over here you can see the foot portion coming down. Also quick, and again it's going to bring you to the 90 degree that you want it to be at, or just about. And then I'm going to show you the height range on this bed, which is quite a significant range. This is the lowest height. You can see how easy it is to get on. And then for a lot of our physicians who use this table, or other people who may use it, they're looking for tables that will go really high because they may be tall themselves and like to have their clients at a high position. So I'm moving as I'm speaking here, and as you can see it's going up pretty high. In fact, like I wouldn't want to get off of it at this height. I'd have to jump down. But that just kind of shows you how high it goes. It's still going. There you go. So that's the height on the bed. I guess while I'm in it, I'll do a couple of things here just for fun. I'm going to bring the table back into the flat position, and then I'll show you the Trendelenburg on this. As it flattens the backrest, you can see that the armrest also remains parallel to the ground and will become flat with the table surface, widening it at the arms and shoulders, which is where you would want it wide. So, a little hairy being the person on it and doing this, but I'll do it anyway. And then here is the Trendelenburg for you on this bed. So if that's ever a useful position, it'll do that, and you can see that it doesn't strain under the weight. It still moves as quickly and as quietly. Bring it on down, and I'll put my back up in seated position again. Now it doesn't have a preset for any of the positions. Each of them is manual, but at the same time it is possible to move more than one of the positions simultaneously if you depress more than one button. So you can put your client back into this position pretty easily. A couple of other great features on the bed that I'll show you now real quickly. There is a hanger for the hand control on each side of the bed. There's a loop. The armrests can move out of the way for entry and exit of your client. They can also be taken off of the table if you don't need them. It's pretty easy to do. And then this model, which is the Rx4-2000, is a rotating bed. There's a handle right here that releases the rotation on the bed, and in situations where you want to move the bed instead of the client, this works really well. This version is configured with the optional foot pedal control that controls all of the features that are done by the hand control. And you can do that with your foot. And then in some of the versions you'll also find actual buttons on the body of the chair. So this specific configuration that we have here in this Rx4-2000 has 3 different ways you can operate it. The hand control that I began with, the foot control, and these buttons on the side. When you order the bed with side rails, which would be right here in order to attach ankle or under the knee stirrups, in that configuration you'll not get it with the side buttons, but instead with the side rails. And then finally, we can show you the headrest here. And this is a headrest that has a removable plug for face down positioning, and it is also able to tilt when someone is in that face down position, and it also can extend outward this way to provide a little bit more head support when your client is seated in the table as a chair. And then finally we've got our paper roll holder attached to the back of the bed. You can easily take the paper and drape it across the table as you may need to do. And that is the Rx4-2000 bed from GiftedTouch.com. Thanks very much for coming by and taking a look at the video and our products. If there's anything else you need from us, get in touch with us by email or by phone.